In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My dear third intermediate students, today we are with Unit 7, Lesson 2, Water Experiments, Time Clause. As you know, a sentence has two main parts. The first part is the subject and the second part is the verb. A sentence has a subject and a verb. When we try to connect two sentences with words like when, while, before, after, since, we have two sentences. A sentence after these words and a sentence before them. The clause after these words, when, while, before, after, and since, is called a time clause. The sentence that starts with when, while, before, after, and since is called the main clause, and the other sentence is called the main clause. Number one, as soon as and when show that two actions happen at the same time. Number two, before and after show that one action happens first, then another action happens. Number three, we use the future symbol. What is the future symbol? The future symbol is will plus the verb or verb 1 or infinitive. Like will go, will study, will play, will come, will start. We use the future symbol if an action isn't certain, isn't sure. When you are not, if the action will happen or not, use the future symbol. But if you are sure, if you are certain, use the present symbol. The present symbol is verbs like go, goes, study, studies, play, plays, eat, eats, doesn't go, doesn't play, don't study, don't come. These are examples of the present simple tense. As you see, we have some sentences to show the words before, after, as soon as, when, while. These are in the sentences. Number one, I'll have a bath before I go to bed. My dear students, can you tell me where is the time clause?
Before I go to bed.
Yes, very good. Very good. I go to bed is the time clause. Can someone else tell me the main clause?
I'll have a bath.
Yes, good. Very good, my dear student. I'll have a bath is the main clause, but I go to bed is the time clause. Yes. Number two, I'm coming to London tomorrow. I'll phone you as soon as I arrive. As in the first sentence, the time clause is
I arrive.
yes, very good. And the main clause is
I'll phone you.
very, very good. Number three, when you have any problems, we'll help you immediately. The time clause is
You have any problems?
and the main clause is
Will help you immediately.
very good. Number 4. Get me your address as soon as you go home. The main clause is
Get me your address.
and the time clause is
You go home.
very, very good. When I get home, number 5. When I get home, I'll phone you. The time clause
I get
is
home.
very good. And the main clause is
I'll phone you.
number 6. When he comes home, I'll tell him about it. The time clause
He comes home.
and the main clause is
I'll tell him about it.
yes. It's clear that you understand me very well. Now we will go to the questions to practice using when, while, before, after, as soon as, and while. Look at the first sentence. Call me, space, you hear the news. What is the correct answer? Before, after, when, for.
When?
Yes, good. Go to number 2. I'll do the homework, space, the program ends. The best answer is
When?
number 3. I'll have a bath, space, I go to work. The best answer is
Before.
yes, very good. I'll brush my teeth, space, I go to bed. The best answer is
Before.
yes. Number 5. I'll tell you about the holiday, space, I get back. If, after, when, until.
The answer is when.
Yes, very good. These are correct answers. Thank you, my dear students. I hope you understand the lesson well. I hope you the best of luck with you, Mr. Khalid Eid.